Kairana in Shamli district has become the latest flashpoint in western Uttar Pradesh as local BJP MP and Muzaffarnagar riot accused Hukum Singh alleges that 346 Hindu families have left the town over law and order concerns. Local police and administration, however, say there have been no official cases of fleeing in the area and that most people in the list provided by Hukum Singh left years ago for better job opportunities.
We are joined by the BJP MP from the area, Mr. Hukum Singh. He is the one who's actually taken out the list. Mr. Singh, questions being asked as to why has the list come out now? Because a lot of families that we went to and spoke to, they said that, people had vacated homes 5 years back, 4 years back, maybe even 10 years back, some people were telling us. Why have you come out with a list now?
Actually, they didn't vacate their houses at one time. Gradually they vacated their house. Whosoever was targeted, he was forced to leave his house. I have not committed any sin if I publish the list. Why should they have some ulterior motive in everything? I have done it because as a public representative, it's my duty. I have done it. If some Muslim families have left Kairana and the information is with the police, they should give that to the media. These are the Muslim families. The so-called goons, if they are in jail, they are very safely operating from jail also. They are issuing threats from jail also. And it is in the knowledge of the district administration.
At Kairana, at one of the colonies where there's been a number of people who have apparently left the area, according to BJP MP from Kairana, Mr. Hukum Singh, he's given a list of 346 families who have left the area. आप जिन लोगों को जानते हो, जिनके नाम आप बोल रहे थे, वो कितने दिन पहले निकले यहाँ से?
कोई 4 साल पहले, कोई 5 साल पहले, कोई 3 साल के अंदर सबसे ज़्यादा यहाँ से प्लान हुआ है।
हाल ही में अभी कोई लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का सिचुएशन वैसा ही है? कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है? क्योंकि ये मर्डर कुछ हुआ था यहाँ पे, वो 2-3 साल पहले हुआ था।
हाँ, हुआ था। उस समय 3 व्यापारियों की हत्या कर दी गई और एक डेढ़ हफ्ते के अंदर ही तीनों को कर दिया गया। उन सबसे पहले उन सबसे रंगदारी मांगी गई थी, उन्होंने नहीं दी।
इलेक्शंस आ रहे हैं सामने, आपको लगता है ये राजनीतिक पार्टियों का कोई वो हो सकता है कि वो अभी नाम रिलीज क्यों कर रहे हैं?
ये एक्चुअली में राजनीतिक पार्टियों का हिसाब इसलिए बनता है कि हर राजनीतिक पार्टी राजनीतिक नाम पहले से ही लगावे तो अपने हिसाब से तो ढूंढ लेते हैं अपना मुद्दा। कुछ लोग सोचते हैं कि थोड़ा समय के थोड़ा बाद उठाएंगे।
According to the list, there are several people, at least 20 people that I can see on the list that I have with me of these 300 plus names, where these people have apparently left their houses, but as we have in fact been talking to some of the people who live in this neighborhood, still they are still here because they are hoping that the government will improve the situation. And some of the people who have in fact left, according to the list released by BJP MP from the area, they have in fact left not immediately but a few years ago. With camera person Sachin Gupta reporting from Kairana, Tanima Biswas for NDTV.